Welcome back, guys. Hope you've had a great Christmas and New Year. I haven't launched many videos over the last couple of months. I apologise for that. I've just been working too hard. This is just a part-time gig, so hopefully enjoy my videos. Anyway, today I'm just letting you know that I'm going to be launching the Husky Trek that we did in November. So I'm onto that right now. But before I do that, I'm going to do another mod on the 701. So today I'm going to put an Arrows exhaust on it. So I thought I'd just let you know how much it cost, the weight of it, and later on I'll do some performance stuff on it and see how it feels. It'll obviously sound, I think it'll sound amazing. Anyway, I'll give you a listen to that later on. Alright, so first of all, I've pulled the exhaust off. I'll show you what that is now. So anyone that knows about a Husky 701 knows that the catalytic converter's in the muffler itself on the slip-on, which is this big unit here. Now, I'm going to weigh this for everyone. I know that there's people that have shown how to pull it all off and whatever. It only takes a few minutes. Look, you only need a couple of spanners, a 40 or 45 torque screw, an 8mm, and away you go. So I won't do that. There's plenty of videos on how to pull that off. I basically want to show you how much it weighs. And on both of them, there's the Arrows titanium, which I'm going to put on, how much it cost, and the weight savings that you're going to make. So first of all, I'd like to weigh the standard exhaust, the slip-on that comes with the 701. The main reason I'm taking it off, the first reason is that it weighs a lot. Second, it sounds like poo. It's a very, very quiet exhaust. I mean, if you like that sort of stuff, that's fine. But also the heat that comes out of the catalytic converter, like it sits it back here, and on a hot day, it tries to burn your leg off. So, all right, so let's get this on show on the road. We will set this up. I've set it up in grams. So I will stick that on there. So what have we got? Let's get the glare off there. 4.683 kilograms. So that's a fair bit of weight. So say, what's that? Just over 4.5 kilos just for that slip-on. So I'll stick on the Arrows. I'll just reset this. So this is what you get in the kit. Now that Arrows exhaust, that's the titanium one. First of all, we'll weigh it, and then I'll tell you how much it cost. Righto, I'll stick it on there and weigh it. 2.92 grams, so 2 kilos, just over 2 kilos. So a weight saving of like 2.5 kilos. So that is a big saving. So I'll stick that on now. It won't take very long, and then I'll give you a listen to it. All right, guys, see you in a sec. All right, guys, so I got a weight saving of 2.5 kilos, which I'm pretty excited about. The price of the pipe cost about $1,400 delivered. I got mine from Rocks Motorcycles here in Port Macquarie. They got it for me in less than a week. That's the titanium Arrows. I think it's gonna, look, I'm gonna give you a listen to it in a minute when I put it on. But I'm stoked with the heat shield that I'm gonna save. I'm not gonna burn my leg off, and a weight saving of 2.5 kilos, which doesn't sound like much, but everything you can shave off a bike, because you're always adding compressors, tubes, some recovery gear, so it brings it back up to a standard weight of a bike. All right, I'll stick it on and give you a listen. Okay, so she's on. Took all of like 5 minutes. Very, very simple. It's only got like a spring, this extension. It's got the same bracket that you used on the standard one. It's got an extra bolt with a lock nut on it, and you can already feel it when I pick the bike up. 2.5 kilos, doesn't sound like much, but hanging off the back, it makes a big difference. So every saving's a good saving. All right, I'm gonna go get the key, and we'll go and fire her up and have a listen to it, what she sounds like in the shed. All right. Okay, so I've left the baffle in. It's a couple of different things you can take. You can take this insert out. I am going to try and free it up a bit, the motor. I've taken all the push control out of it, so now I'm going to try and keep it quietish, if you know what I mean. I don't want it to be crazy loud, but I want it to have a bit of a note. So let's go and have a listen. Looks good. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Arrows, titanium on the back of the 701. So one of the last mods. I don't know what I'm going to do yet with the front. I've got a Britannia front which I had on my old bike. I could even put a Rad Garage one in. So I've got the Rad Garage toolbox in the front there now. I've got the new kit with the air cleaner. I've still got the old fuel tank there. But I might even tidy up the front. At the moment, I've just left it as is. But I'll go through all the mods at a later date and I'll show you exactly what I've done to the bike. Alright, hope you like this video guys, and get tuned for the Tassie Trek. I'm on the job right now. See you boys and girls, bye for now.